Hello, this is May. Welcome again, guys. Welcome to my channel or to my Facebook page. So today, bilang isang OFW or as an OFW or overseas foreign worker here in Hong Kong, I want to show you what's my lunch for today. So it is a diary, guys, diary of an OFW or caregiver here in Hong Kong. So our lunch for today is boiled egg, simply boiled egg. Yes, boiled egg. And I have already boiled the corn. So we have our sweet yellow corn. This is our sweet yellow corn, guys. Look. Super lucky ang ating sweet yellow corn. So na-boil ko na siya. And after na-boil, I boiled the egg in there. So, yan lang siya ang ating lunch for today. So, lunch for today is simply itlog. Ayaw ng chopstick. So, simply itlog, boiled egg. So, dito ko rin siya na-boil yung corn natin kanina. Then, after naluto yung corn natin, nag-boil na rin ako ng itlog. So, yan ang ating lunch. Diba? Super healthy. So, ganito lang siya, guys, ang buhay dito bilang isang OFW sa Hong Kong. So, hindi mo kailangan ng marangyang pagkain. Eat well. Kasi, sabi nga, food is the foundation of physical health. Sweet, yes. So, naluto, guys, naluto. Kasi na-boil ko siya ng 15 minutes. Then, ang ating itlog, ano lang yan, guys? Lagyan ko lang siya ng sesame oil and kunting butter. So, here's our lunch. Naano na natin yung itlog. Nabalatan na siya. So, ganyan siya, guys. So, hindi na pala ako mag-ano ng butter kasi may sesame oil na sa itlog. So, ito ang ating sesame oil for the egg. So, bala ko maglagay sana ng butter sa corn. Pero, hindi na kailangan, guys, kasi nga may sesame oil na tayo. Then, seasoned soy sauce na lang ang gamitin natin sa ating egg. Okay. So, ganyan lang kasimple ang ating lunch for today. May itlog na tayo and may mais. So, ang mais is iyan ang kapalit ng ating rice. And thank you for watching. If you are watching this video through Facebook, please do visit my YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video through YouTube, please do visit my Facebook page. And if you do like any of my videos, please consider sharing it to your any social media platform or to your YouTube community. Thank you for watching. This is May again. Eat well and live healthy.